Landlords navigating tenant screening often face questions about what they can and cannot ask regarding immigration and legal status, and the answer requires careful attention to fair housing law. While federal law prohibits housing discrimination on the basis of national origin and race, some states do impose obligations on landlords regarding occupant identity verification. And in states where such verification is legally required or permitted, documenting that process consistently and non-discriminatorily is essential. The key word is consistently, applying the same documentation standard to every applicant, every time, is your fair housing protection. Our free legal status in the United States form provides landlords in jurisdictions where identity documentation is part of the standard application process with a consistent professional form for collecting and documenting this information. It's designed to be used as part of a uniform application process applied equally to all applicants in compliance with applicable state law and federal fair housing requirements. It covers the type of documentation provided, the document number and expiration date, and the applicant's attestation of accuracy. Fair housing compliance in tenant screening comes down to consistency and documentation. Using the same forms, asking the same questions, and applying the same standards to every applicant is your best protection against fair housing complaints. A landlord who can show that every applicant was asked the same questions and evaluated by the same objective criteria is in a fundamentally different legal position than one who makes case-by-case decisions without documentation. Review your state's requirements before implementing any identity documentation process in your applications, and consult a fair housing attorney if you have questions specific to your jurisdiction. For objective, FCRA-compliant tenant screening that helps you evaluate all applicants by the same financial and background standards, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.